Junior secondary school intern teachers have cautioned President William Ruto against defying court orders issued in a case that seeks to compel the government to employ them on permanent and pensionable terms. This comes a day after the president vowed to disregard court orders in cases challenging the implementation of certain government projects, accusing unnamed judicial officers of accepting bribes.
I remember when the court ruled in his favor to become president, the courts were good. When the court ruled against BBI in his support, the courts were good. But now, the courts are bad. And we hope he is not going to tell TSC to disobey court orders that affect TSC or that affects teachers.
The orders issued by the Employment and Labour Relations Court on the 19th of December require the Teachers Service Commission, the Ministry of Education and the teachers to adhere to the terms of their prevailing contracts until the case is determined. The contracts for the first cohort of JSS intern teachers lapsed on the 31st of December, but the teachers say the TSC has been using underhand tactics to renew them.
No teacher among the ones that their contract expired on 31st December should report to any working institution or working station as a teacher as of 8th of this month. We are also requesting teachers to shun from being or from succumbing to intimidation and coercion from sub-county directors who are being misused by TSC without any official notice.
The educators accuse the Ministry of Education of politicizing the recruitment of teachers and allowing elected leaders to use employment letters as bargaining chips.
If there is money to employ these permanent and pensionable teachers, these teachers who graduated the other day, if there is money to employ them on PNP, that means there is money to confirm these intern teachers.
If TSC does not employ teachers, then it should be dissolved, or we are given their role as the TSC. Otherwise, we shall soon be requesting EACC to investigate the CEO, Dr. Nancy Macharia, on the process or the role of MPs in employment of teachers.
The teachers accuse the government of attempting to curtail their right to protest. They have to this end issued notice of a strike beginning on the 8th of January 2024, a move that could see learning at junior secondary schools across the country grind to a halt.
Bwana Bungei was paid to allow people to demonstrate on the housing levy and a payment, which is this government that pays a certain group of people to demonstrate and then denies another group to demonstrate that doesn't require payment. We do not want to be paid to demonstrate. It's our right, and it must be granted.
According to the teachers, the government has been implementing changes to the curriculum without consulting them. The planned strike could further hamper the implementation of the CBC curriculum, which has been set back by shortages of teachers and learning resources.
You merge subjects that do not match in anything. For example, the ministry has resolved to merge computer science, business, and pre-technical. I teach mathematics. How do I teach computer?
You can't be retooled within a week or 3 days. Somebody reading what they do not understand even, just reading the papers, and they say they have trained. What's that training?
Muriel Adhiambo, K24 TV, Nairobi.